Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I am installing this hair from Chinalacewig. This hair is quite different from my usual wigs. You can see this hair. So this is human hair lace front wig twist coils. You can see this hair, it looks so fabulous. It feels so soft, pure human hair. Look at the front lace, very easy to put on, and I love the fact that it is bouncy, it is coily. I'm usually a fan of coily hair, and you can see the scalp of this hair, it is well made. It looks so good. I just took it off to see that it is very easy to pop on and pop off. So this is the hair. The lace is well laid out and has a very strong band you can attach on your hair to keep it firm on your scalp. This hair is my newest most everyone. This is awesome. I love the fact that it is natural color, it is dark. I think they have the ombre of the same type of hair, so you can toggle over to their website and see options to choose from. I also raised it from the back. You can see this hair is so cute. This is too cute. Honestly, I was afraid it might not be full, because when I saw it on their website I was like, would this hair be full enough because of the coily twist? So I was wondering, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna get a voluminous hair until I got the package. I was like, oh my goodness, this is awesome. This hair is awesome. All right everyone, let's go ahead and rip off the front lace. This didn't take me up to 2 minutes to get it all set up. I applied my melting lace spray, which I usually use on my hair to keep the lace wig firm on my hair, and that was it. I applied a band to hold it in place, and I'm using my eyebrow shapener to rip it off. I know people usually use this eyebrow shapener to rip off lace wig that looks critical to take off, so I don't want to mess up with the edges, especially the front lace. So I think this was very handy for me. All right everyone, we're almost done taking off the lace. I also meticulous in ripping off the lace because I wanted it to come out clean and nice, and I think I did a very good job with this. So look at the scalp of this wig. Take a closer look at this. It doesn't look like a lace wig. Where is the lace? This looks like my natural scalp. Look at this. This is awesome. Awesome is an understatement. I love this hair. I think I did a very good job with the front lace, everyone. Look at this hair. The feel is awesome. Oh, I love the fact that I can shake my head and it just drop down bouncy. As the smoke clears, a sense of peace. Future's a canvas, let's increase. Our present joy, no need to lease. Young bull, take your time, find your ease.
doesn't leave the past behind. Yes.
I also went ahead to give it a little touch by raising it up into an updo, and it looks so great, like a ponytail. I mean, however you want to style this hair, because of the nature of the hair, it is curly twist. It just gives you this beautiful look. I mean, curly twist looks good on almost everyone. Yeah, I mean, look at this. I love this hair. So I've left the details of this hair on the description of this video, and go ahead on the website and snag one for yourself using the fabulous coupon codes and also Black Friday deals.